What's up guys, my name is Mayor. So today I'm sharing the perfect peri peri chicken on the grill, and we are outdoor. It's a nice weather, it's a spring weather, and so let's get straight into the video. So here I have the whole chicken. First of all, we will cut the chicken right from here. So we don't need this part of the chicken. So we will take out the neck and we will cut the chicken from this side and this side. So this piece guys, it will go in the trash. So now we have the whole chicken. We will try to stretch the chest from the middle. Just like that. And you'll make a thin slice in the middle. So here we have our whole chicken without the neck. So make the slices on the breast evenly, so all the seasoning will be easily get into the breast. Make some cuts on the leg. On the opposite side as well. This side as well. So our cutting part is done. Now friends, we will marinate this chicken. So we will transfer the chicken in the bowl. Use a bigger bowl for it if you guys have it, but I'm outside, it's an outdoor grilling, so I have this bowl. The first thing we will add is the olive oil right in there. Here goes the olive oil. If you ask about the quantity, I would say add at least 10 tablespoons of olive oil right in there. Squeeze a whole lemon right in there. I mean, if you guys don't like the seeds, just make sure don't add the seeds, but I'm not worried about the seeds because at the end they're not gonna be sticking on our chicken, hopefully. Add garlic. I have garlic powder here. You guys can use the cloves, garlic cloves, and I would suggest add at least 4 to 6 cloves of garlic in there. So here I have the cayenne pepper. You can use the cayenne pepper, and I would suggest add 1 whole tablespoon of cayenne pepper. The next thing is we will add the rosemary leaves. I would say a teaspoon of rosemary leaves. Add 1 spoon of paprika. 1 tablespoon of paprika. Okay, we will add half tablespoon of thyme leaves. So here goes the thyme leaves. Add 1 spoon of regular red chili powder. So this red chili powder is a little bit spicy, so just add 1 or half tablespoon of red chili powder. And now at the end, 1 whole tablespoon of regular kosher salt. Okay, so now it's the time, friends. We will just massage our chicken. We will make sure all the seasoning goes into every single place with the oil. So as you can see, I'm using the hands. You guys can use the gloves if you want. And just massage it gently, and you have to make sure, remember the cuts we made, you have to make sure all the seasoning goes into the cuts, just like that. It's not that spicy either. It's like the combination of the spice and the lemon, the rosemary, the thyme. Guys, you can see it's all marinated, it's all well seasoned. So for now, what we will do, we will just keep the chicken at least for 15 minutes right in there in the box, so all the seasoning gets into the chicken deeply. So in the meantime, we will set up our coals. This is the grill pan. I'm adding the charcoal right in there, and we will light up our charcoal. So after 10 to 15 minutes, our charcoal will be ready. So here is our charcoal lighter. We will put some of that right on top. We will take our lighter and we will try to light the guy. Wow, it's kind of a chilly too, so it feels good when you stand close to fire these days. So comment down below and tell me if you guys have ever made peri peri chicken just like this outdoor on the charcoal grill. I'm still using the lighter just for the coals to get light up evenly, and after 15 minutes they all will be ready at once. So it's been 15 minutes. Our coals look ready. So now we will take out our chicken, and I will try to use the net grill for it. So we will take the whole chicken out and put it in the net grill, just like that. I mean, you don't have to use the net grill, but if you want to, I would suggest, yeah, use it. For the initial stage, I'm trying to use the net grill. It's a tough job to do the whole chicken. This is kind of a wooden log. I'm trying to make it. So here you guys, this is the wooden log and this is the chicken. So as you can see, I'm using this barrier. This is the first barrier on the grill at the bottom. This is the second barrier. Guys, we have the sauce, right? The marination. So we will take a brush and put the sauce right on top of our chicken. As the timing goes, and since it's a charcoal grill, I would say it will take 15 minutes each side. So it doesn't mean you have to leave the chicken on the grill for 15 minutes straight. No, you have to flip the chicken every 2 minutes or 3 minutes or so. So this side is done. We will flip it. Now we will brush this side. Wow, the aroma is awesome. This is the sweet pepper, so I'm trying to put it right in there just like this, and we will roast the peppers as well. So it's been 30 minutes and we have completely roasted our peri peri chicken. So now it's time to serve the chicken. So this is our completely roasted. Wow. Wow. Whoa, it's so hot. So here you go guys, your beautiful peri peri chicken is ready. So guys, this is the moment of truth. So here goes the chicken breast. As it's juicy, it's completely done and it's soft. Oh wow. Deliciously done. And guys, this is the wonderful chicken recipe. Oh wow, it's so soft. I mean, the charcoal cooking does the whole new kind of level cooking. Fully done guys. Do try this recipe whenever you guys go outside, or you can cook the same recipe at home or in your backyard. I'll see you guys on the next video. Please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Leave your comments and your thoughts at the bottom, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.